Have you ever felt like something big is about to happen, but you can't quite put your finger on it? You know that strange sense of anticipation, like the universe is preparing you for a major shift, but everything still feels calm on the surface? If you've been manifesting something significant in your life, then chances are you've experienced this feeling before. But what if I told you that this is one of the weirdest and most powerful signs that your manifestation is on its way? You see, manifestation isn't just about thinking positively or wishing for things. It's a deeper, energetic process that involves aligning yourself with the universe. And sometimes, that alignment shows up in strange ways that you might not even expect. From unexpected encounters to feeling like you're on the brink of a major breakthrough, these signs are your personal confirmation that things are shifting. In this video, we're diving into 5 weird signs that your manifestation is right around the corner. Trust me, these signs might just surprise you. So, if you've been feeling like something is coming, or you've noticed some unusual patterns, stick around. Your manifestation might be closer than you think. Let's get started. The manifestation process is often thought of as simply attracting the things you desire into your life, but it's much more than that. It's about creating the right environment for your desires to materialize, which sometimes means the universe works in mysterious ways to bring unexpected opportunities into your life. These opportunities may not always seem directly aligned with your initial goal, but they serve as stepping stones that ultimately guide you toward what you're trying to manifest. In other words, the universe might bring something unexpected into your life to help you grow, prepare, or even get closer to your desired outcome in ways you haven't anticipated. For example, let's say you're manifesting a new career opportunity. You might envision a specific job role or position, but instead of directly landing that position, you receive a sudden offer for a completely different role that seems unrelated. It could be a temporary project, a job in a new field, or a business partnership that initially doesn't align with your vision. However, as you dive deeper into the opportunity, you realize that the skills, knowledge, or connections you're gaining are exactly what you need for your long-term manifestation to unfold. This is where the magic happens. The universe often knows what's best for us, even when we can't see it right away. The key is to stay open and receptive to these unexpected opportunities. They are not distractions. Rather, they are part of the process that ultimately leads you toward your goal. When you resist or dismiss these opportunities because they don't look like what you initially envisioned, you may miss out on valuable lessons or connections that will move you closer to your desired outcome. It's important to trust the journey and understand that things don't always unfold in a straight line. Sometimes detours or unexpected opportunities are exactly what we need to align ourselves more closely with our manifestation. These opportunities can help you build the foundation for success, make important connections, or develop new skills that will come in handy down the road. So, when an unexpected opportunity arises, don't rush to judge it based on whether it directly matches your current vision. Instead, approach it with curiosity and a willingness to embrace the unknown. Ask yourself, how could this opportunity serve my growth and bring me closer to my desired manifestation? Even if it doesn't seem to fit your original plan, trust that it's helping you align with the energy and lessons necessary for your manifestation to unfold. By staying open, you're more likely to recognize the connections between this opportunity and your long-term goals. Remember, the universe works in mysterious ways. So, when something unexpected shows up in your life, it's often a sign that your manifestation is in motion. Synchronicities, often described as meaningful coincidences, are powerful signs from the universe that your manifestation is aligning with the divine plan for your life. These seemingly random events, connections, or occurrences can feel like small miracles, but they carry profound significance. When you begin to notice these synchronicities, it's a clear indication that the energy around you is shifting, and your desires are being drawn closer to reality. Imagine this. You've been focusing on manifesting a new business venture. One day, out of nowhere, you bump into an old acquaintance who happens to have the exact expertise or connections you need for your venture to succeed. Or perhaps you've been thinking about a product you'd love to launch, and suddenly you keep seeing advertisements for that exact product in every place you look. At first, these events may seem like coincidences, but when you start connecting the dots, you realize they are signs that the universe is guiding you toward your goal. These synchronicities are not accidents. They are the universe's way of confirming that you're on the right path. When you're manifesting something, the universe often sends you subtle clues to show you that your desires are in motion. They can appear as unexpected meetings, an overheard conversation, or a series of events that seem unrelated but are actually interwoven in a way that supports your manifestation. These signs often provide you with helpful information, guidance, or encouragement that propels you closer to your desires. The key is to notice and acknowledge these synchronicities when they occur. They serve as affirmations that you are aligned with your desires and the universe's plan for you. Instead of brushing them off as mere coincidences, take a moment to pause, reflect, and express gratitude. The more you acknowledge these signs, the more you open yourself up to receiving even more guidance and opportunities. By paying attention to these synchronicities, you can gain deeper insight into the steps you need to take, the people you need to connect with, or the opportunities you should seize. They act as breadcrumbs leading you along the path of your manifestation, helping you navigate through life with greater clarity and trust. So, whenever you notice something unusual or serendipitous happening, take it as a sign from the universe. Trust that these meaningful coincidences are not just random. They are part of the beautiful tapestry that is aligning your life with your desires. Keep your mind and heart open to these signs, and allow them to guide you forward on your journey of manifestation. Strange dreams and vivid imagery are powerful signs that your manifestation process is moving forward, often manifesting in your subconscious mind before it shows up in your waking reality. The universe communicates with us in many ways, and one of the most profound methods is through our dreams. These dreams can serve as a mirror, reflecting what we are focusing on and offering clues that our manifestation is drawing nearer. When you are actively working on manifesting something, your subconscious mind begins to process your desires and align with them during your sleep. You may find yourself dreaming of the very things you are trying to manifest. For instance, you might dream of living in your dream house, walking through its rooms, and feeling the joy and satisfaction of owning it. Or you could dream of meeting the partner you've been manifesting, someone who embodies the qualities you've been wishing for. Alternatively, your dreams may present intuitive guidance, offering you wisdom or insights that you may not have considered while awake, but that are deeply connected to your manifestation. These vivid dreams aren't just random or meaningless. They carry weight and significance. The subconscious mind is deeply connected to our desires, and when we're focused on manifesting something, the energy around that desire is reflected in our dreams. If you start to notice recurring imagery, themes, or feelings in your dreams, it's a sign that your manifestation is beginning to take form. Paying attention to these dreams is important because they often offer deeper insights into the direction of your manifestation. For example, a dream about the ideal job you're trying to manifest might reveal specific details or actions you need to take in order to bring it into reality. Similarly, a dream about a loving partner may point you toward areas of personal growth that will help align you with the energy needed to attract that partner into your life. The key is to be present and aware of the feelings and messages within your dreams. Don't dismiss them as mere fantasy. Instead, take time to reflect on the emotions they evoke and any guidance they provide. These dreams can offer valuable clues that will help you navigate the manifestation process more effectively. Remember, the universe works in mysterious ways, and your dreams are one of the tools it uses to communicate with you. By paying attention to these vivid experiences, you gain clarity on your journey, reaffirm your desires, and allow the manifestation to unfold more smoothly. So the next time you have a strange or vivid dream, take it as a positive sign that your manifestation is getting closer, and trust the messages within it. When you're in the process of manifesting something significant, it's not uncommon for people from your past to reappear in your life. While this might seem like a coincidence at first, these encounters are often much more meaningful than they appear. In many cases, they are signs from the universe that there is unfinished business or unresolved issues from your past that need to be addressed in order for your manifestation to come to fruition. These encounters can serve as a reminder that the journey toward manifesting your desires involves not just attracting new things, but also letting go of past emotional baggage or unhealed wounds. For example, you might find that an old friend whom you lost touch with years ago suddenly reaches out to you. Their reappearance could be a reminder of a lesson you need to learn or a relationship that requires closure. Alternatively, a former mentor might show up with helpful advice or insight that helps guide you forward in your manifestation process. Even if these people seem to have no direct connection to your current goal, they often bring with them something important, whether it's a lesson, a piece of advice, or a new perspective. It's crucial to reflect on why these individuals are returning at this particular moment. The universe may be signaling that there is something from your past that still holds energy or lessons that need to be integrated. Perhaps there's a belief, attitude, or behavior pattern that needs to be released or transformed in order to align with the energy of your manifestation. The return of these individuals can also symbolize growth, showing that you're ready to handle new challenges and opportunities in a more evolved way. Taking the time to reflect on these reappearances can deepen your understanding of where you are in your manifestation journey. Instead of brushing off these encounters as coincidences, ask yourself what you can learn from them. How can these people or the experiences associated with them contribute to your growth? Is there something from the past that you need to resolve, release, or forgive in order to move forward with your desires? By embracing these people from your past and being open to the lessons they bring, you'll create space for your manifestation to unfold more freely. These encounters can help you shed old energy and align more closely with the vibration of what you're trying to manifest. So when someone from your past reappears, take it as a sign from the universe to pause, reflect, and learn before moving forward on your manifestation journey. One of the most powerful and subtle signs that your manifestation is on its way is the feeling that something big is about to happen. This sensation often comes with a sense of anticipation, a knowing deep within you that things are about to shift. It's as if you're standing on the edge of a major change, yet you're not entirely sure what that change will look like. It's a feeling that can sometimes be likened to the calm before the storm, where everything feels still and quiet, yet you know on a deep level that something extraordinary is just around the corner. This feeling might manifest as a sudden surge of excitement, even without knowing exactly what's coming. You might wake up one morning with an unexplained sense of joy or a feeling that the universe is preparing to bring something wonderful into your life. It's as if the energy around you is shifting, and you can sense that change is on the horizon, even if it hasn't fully materialized yet. These moments of intuition can be a sign that your manifestation is much closer than you think. At this point, it's important to trust this feeling and maintain a positive mindset. The universe has a way of preparing us for what's to come, often by making us feel this sense of anticipation. It's a nudge to stay hopeful and excited, knowing that the manifestation process is working behind the scenes. It might not always make sense in the moment, but this feeling of something coming is a clear indication that your desires are in motion. The key is to embrace the unknown with confidence. Instead of feeling anxious about the uncertainty of what's ahead, allow yourself to feel excitement and gratitude for the changes that are about to unfold. Stay aligned with your desires and keep your thoughts focused on the positive outcomes you're hoping for. By doing so, you're sending out the right energy into the universe, which in turn helps bring your manifestation into reality. When you experience this feeling of something coming, it's a sign that you are on the right path. Trust in the process and know that the universe is bringing you closer to your goals. This feeling is often the universe's way of confirming that you're about to receive what you've been working toward. So stay positive, keep your energy high, and be open to the surprises that life has in store for you. Your manifestation is on its way, and it's closer than you think. And there you have it, 5 weird signs that your manifestation is on its way. I hope this video gave you the clarity and excitement you need to keep going on your journey. Remember, the universe works in mysterious ways, and sometimes the most unexpected signs are the ones that lead us to exactly what we want. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Have you experienced any of these strange signs yourself? Or maybe you've noticed something else that feels like a sign from the universe? Drop a comment below and share your experience with us. I can't wait to hear your stories. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more content to help you manifest your dream life. Keep your energy high, stay aligned with your desires, and remember, your manifestation might be just around the corner. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.